All right, guys. I'm gonna do a how not to video. Don't do this, because you'll kill yourself. But for those of you that want onboard air, here you go. The big line here, that's like the inlet, and the small line, that is the high pressure line. Now all you got to do is cut the wire going to it. You got a green, which happens to be positive on mine, and a black, obviously negative. I put them on some old alligator clips I had laying around. Now what you got to do is just hook it straight to the battery, and it'll turn the AC compressor on. And I went down to the parts store and I grabbed a pressure relief valve for an air compressor, and I bought this little T-block and these fittings that are the right size for the line, and then I just put a quick disconnect coupler on it, and just do that. That's all you got to do. And fire your truck up, hook up your positive and negative, and it'll turn the compressor on, and you got pressure. But what you want to do is take this and hook it to your air hose. And I've got it stuck open so that way it doesn't build pressure in the line, because I don't have a tank. But just in case you fuck up and you disconnect it and it deadheads, you've got this little relief valve here that'll let the pressure off for you. I'd show you how it works, but it's too loud and I can't you can't hear me. You can't hear anything over the video or over the noise. But it aired that tire up in about 45 seconds. So, like I said, don't do this, but it works. So, see ya.